Hey everyone, welcome back to Step-by-Step How-To Guides. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Rubik's Cubes. If you've ever wondered how to solve one of these colorful puzzles, you're in the right place. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide to help you conquer the Rubik's Cube. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the cube. Before we dive into solving, let's understand our opponent, the Rubik's Cube. It consists of 6 faces, each made up of 9 smaller squares. The goal is to get each face to be a single color. Now let's learn the notation used to describe the moves. We have U up, D down, R right, L left, F front, and B back. Each of these can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise. Got it? Great, let's move on. Step 2, solving the first layer, 2, 4, 30. Our first step is solving the first layer. Start by picking a color. I'll go with white. Find and solve the edge and corner pieces for the white face. This involves a combination of turns to maneuver the pieces into their correct positions. Don't worry, we're taking it one step at a time. Step 3, second layer, 437. Now that the first layer is complete, let's move on to the second layer. This involves solving the middle layer by manipulating the edge pieces. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Step 4, top cross, 7-9. With the first 2 layers solved, it's time to tackle the top face. We'll start by creating a cross on the top using specific algorithms. This is a critical step in preparing for the final layer. Step 5, completing the top layer, 9-12. To finish the Rubik's Cube, we need to complete the final layer. This involves solving the remaining corners and edges on the top face. It might take a bit of memorization and practice, but with consistency, you'll be a Rubik's Cube master in no time. Conclusion and tips, 12. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to solving a Rubik's Cube. Remember, practice is key. Don't get discouraged if it takes a while to memorize the algorithms. The more you practice, the faster and more intuitive it becomes. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more puzzle-solving tutorials. Until next time, happy cubing.